And with that, we bring you greetings from the Elegba Folklore Society. Now, among the Yoruba, and the Yoruba people live in parts of Nigeria, Benin, and Togo in West Africa. Elegba is an Orisha. He is a deity, a saint, an aspect of nature who opens the roads down the path you choose to travel. Now, sometimes Elegba may appear as a trickster, for he is the guardian of the crossroads, and he represents the choices we must make in life. Elegba, with one face in the spirit world, the other in the earthly world, he keeps us connected. Elegba is a divine messenger of destiny. And so we greet you today in the language of our Yoruba brothers and sisters, and we say, Alafia.
Alafia.
I didn't hear anybody repeat it back to us. Alafia.
Alafia.
Oh, that's better that time. And among the Manding or the Mandingo, the Mandinga, who are in parts of Mali, Senegal, Gambia, Guinea, Sierra Leone, Liberia, the Ivory Coast, Burkina Faso. To say hello, we say Sumole.
Sumole.
And wait a minute, Sumole.
Sumole.
Okay. And in Swahili, spoken throughout Central and Eastern Africa, to say hello, we say Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Today, we're going to share the richness of African culture through the drum, the spirit of the drum, the power of the drum, the love of the drum. And in this case, the drum of the Jinbei orchestra that is indigenous to the Manding cosmology. Indigenous or originating with the people we know as Mandingo. We're going to share with you a rhythm or a story from the Mandingo called cuckoo. No. It's not the crazy, silly one. This cuckoo rhythm and story says, thank you, Mother Earth, for giving us all the things that we need. Spring is springing, plants, vegetables, flowers, herbs that we need for life to keep us healthy and happy and feeling good come up from the earth. This cuckoo pays homage to that process. Mother Earth provides all that we really need in life. The cuckoo. And so now the cuckoo has a story, it has a spirit, but it also has some musical technology from the Jinbei orchestra. My name is Omilade Janine Bell. I'm the artistic director at the Elegba Folklore Society, and with me, Kofi Ajay, lead Jinbei drummer, and Kurt Patterson on the doo-doo. So, Kofi, that drum that you have looks really good. What can you tell us about it?
Hello, everyone. My name is Baba Kofi, and I'm here to explain this beautiful instrument you see hanging from my body today. It is called a Jinbei. Can everybody say Jinbei?
Jinbei.
Can everybody say Jinbei?
Jinbei.
Say it from your gut. Can everybody say Jinbei?
Jinbei.
Excellent. Jinbei is a goblet-shaped instrument cut from one single tree, hollowed out in the middle. As you see, there's nothing inside. On the sides, we have beautiful carvings that help shape your instrument and for design and flair. As you see, we have ropes here, which we utilize for tension connected to the ring at the top and the ring at the bottom. When I say tension, tension helps with the sound that comes from the top. And on the top, we have either goat skin or cow skin. And with that, we have 3 basic sounds that I will be giving you today. The first sound is in the center of your djembe. Can everybody say bass?
Bass.
Can everybody say bass?
Bass.
Can everybody say bass?
Bass.
Excellent. Bass. 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 So deep. The next note I will give you is the tone. It's right here at the edge of your djembe. Tone. 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 The last note is the highest of the 3 that I will give you. It is called slap. Can everybody say slap?
Slap.
Say slap.
Slap.
Say slap.
Slap.
This is djembe.
My name is Baba Kurt, and I have the dunums. I have 3 tones also. I have bass, mid-tone, and high tone. My bass tone is called dunumba. Dunumba.
Dunumba.
Samba.
I didn't hear anybody say samba. Samba.
And I have a high tone, it's called a kinkani.
Oh, how's it called?
Kinkani. So when you put these 3 together, you have dunumba, samba, kinkani, samba.
Samba.
Kinkani.
Samba. Samba. Samba.
Dunumba, samba, kinkani, samba.
So that is nice because the bottom goes up under the djembe to give it some foundation.
Yes.
But when I think about this djembe too, it reminds me of our friend Khalid Salim. Because you know what he always says about the djembe.
Yeah.
He always says, djembe. I say djembe. It's carved from a tree trunk. It's laced with rope. It's got goat skin on top. It's got goat skin on top. I say djembe, you say. I say djembe, you say. It's carved from a tree trunk. Laced with rope. It's laced with rope. Goat skin on top. Goat skin on top. I say djembe. I say djembe. I say djembe.
So in all West African countries, we utilize call and response.
Yes.
So with this rhythm, I will call the rhythm to start and or stop and or change with what I would call today a break, which sounds a little like this. So when you hear the break, it is a signal to start, stop, and or change in the rhythm. So when I play the break, we will start with the first accompaniment, which sounds a little like this.
Aha! I like that one.
I have a rhythm for cuckoo also.
Okay.
I play my rhythm. My rhythm is polyrhythmic on the Dunumba, sung by Kinkini. And mine goes like this. Clap along with me on the Kinkini.
So could people clap along with the Jinbei?
Absolutely.
Ooh, you want to? I want to.
All right. So, on the break, remember, we have to play together as a complete orchestra. All right? So, on the break. And clap. And Jinbei. Good job, good job, good job.
Now, I have a little something in my hand. It looks like a little something, but even in a big Jinbei orchestra, this bell makes a big difference.
Yes.
Adding texture to the music.
Absolutely.
And sometimes calling forth the spirits of our ancestors. Ashe?
Ashe.
Ashe.
So I'm going to add my bell to this cuckoo polyrhythm.
On the what? On the break.
Great.
Oh.
Yeah. Now, if you don't have a bell, you might have some spoons, and you can do exactly the same thing. If you don't have a drum, they don't have a djembe. What would they use?
We will use, as you see, our hands. Or we will drum on our legs. And if you don't have a dunumba or a sangba or a kinkini, you can use a bucket. Being very inventive, okay?
Or a tabletop, maybe. How about
Ask
that?
the teacher first.
Okay. So, let's put it all together. Everybody, you ready? We're going to play Cuckoo with the Jinbei Orchestra in honor of the Manding people of West Africa and Mother Earth. Let's do it.
Yes. Are you ready? On the what? On the break.
The break. us into your homes and your classrooms so that you can learn a little bit about the Elegba Folklore Society, Elegba, the Yoruba Orisha who opens the roads. We hope this has been a road opening experience for you to learn about the Yoruba people, to learn about the Manding people, to learn about the Jinbei Orchestra, and how we use rhythm, in this case, the cuckoo rhythm, to honor the earth.